Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Viewers, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, so please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice like leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, satin silk dresses, satin silk night dresses, night robes, coconut suits, party dresses, wedding guest dresses, engagement dresses, and much more collections of raincoats. You can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. Viewers, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon, you can get my new uploading videos notification first. You guys, I hope you will like my video. So I request you please share my video with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. You guys, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Be careful.